As someone who loves a home-cooked meal but is always running low on time, I decided to look into some online meal services, hoping to find something that would give me that homemade feel without all the prep and cleanup. Enter Factor 75. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So I decided to give Factor a go, and today I'm going to break down what options they offer, how much their plans cost, and everything else in between, including how they compare to other meal delivery services. And then I'll go over any pros and cons so that hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a good idea if Factor 75 is the right fit for you, or if maybe you need to look elsewhere. And at any point, if you decide to try out Factor, you can use the affiliate link down below in the description. It doesn't cost you anything, and you can even get a discount which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. And without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so if you haven't heard about Factor 75 or Factor, they're a healthy meal service that ships meals right to your door. And the food arrives pre-cooked by chefs and only needs to be heated up in the microwave or oven for a few minutes. I know. How could microwave food be any good, right? Well, the thing about Factor is that they use organic ingredients in their meals, which means that they don't have the usual GMOs, hormones, preservatives, or refined sugars that you'd find in other pre-cooked meals from other companies. They also source high-quality foods like their meat, which is grass-fed and pasture-raised, and even the chicken is humanely raised. And with that being said, when it comes to actually prepping the meals, all you have to do is pierce the plastic film of the package and put it in a microwave for a few minutes. Can't get easier than that. You can also completely remove the cover and put the meal in the oven for around 5 minutes or so, which is my personal preference, so it's something that I definitely recommend if you're not in a hurry. Plus, with the time you're gonna save prepping and cleaning up the oven, it just feels like a no-brainer, you know? Just remember to remove any sauce containers from the meals before you heat them up, since they're not heat friendly. And I mean, avoiding the mess is part of the reason that we're using Factor in the first place, so don't do it. Now, let's talk about the meals themselves. So I went and ordered 4 meals that came in one box, and the very first thing I tried was the Indian butter tofu with lentils and rice, which was delicious, and it actually reminded me of the one that I always order at my favorite Indian restaurant. And to be honest, the main difference I noticed was that the one that I ordered from Factor was a little less spicy, but the cilantro and the marinated yogurt really came through in this dish. So after trying and liking the Indian dish, I went for the chicken Florentine. And I'll be honest, I was skeptical since it's one of my favorites. But to my surprise, they did it justice with a super tasty, creamy sauce, really tender chicken, white wine, and they even had Parmesan on top. Okay, so the next meal that I tried was the jalapeno lime cheddar chicken. The chicken breast was actually grilled and it was really tender. Everything was well seasoned and really balanced. I felt like I was getting a little bit of everything in each bite that I took. This one's actually become one of my go-tos. And last but not least, I had the black pepper and sage pork chop. And let me tell you, I make a pretty mean grilled pork chop, but the ones from Factor come pretty close. And without all the prep involved, it was like a no-brainer. They were super tender and juicy, and even the Brussels sprouts and broccoli were pretty good too. I absolutely loved this dish, and I'd rate it a 9 out of 10. Okay, so we've established that their food is really tasty, but how do you actually order and pay for their meals? Well, it's really easy actually. First, you need to sign up to their website or mobile app. Then you can choose from 6 set meal preferences, which are chef's choice if you're not on a strict diet and just want to sample different meals. Keto, which is great for those of you who want low carb, high fat meals. Calorie Smart, where you get less than 550 calories per meal if you're, trying to lose weight or just maintain your weight. Flexitarian, where you can mix and match to fit your diet. Protein Plus, which focuses on meals with 30 plus grams of protein if you're trying to get those gains in, or vegan and veggie. Then you'll have to choose how many meals you'd like delivered to you per week. The minimum is 6, while the maximum's 18. Just remember that the more meals that you order, the cheaper the price per serving gets. Plus, you can order as many add-ons as you like for no additional delivery cost. Okay, so then you have to choose from Factor's large menu of 35 meal options that rotate on a weekly basis. And having taken a look at their recipes for the upcoming 2 weeks, I only noticed like 3 or 5 repeats. So you always get something like 30 new options to choose from each week. Now, a quick note for those of you who are vegans and vegetarians, although the food is good, you don't get a lot in terms of variety, and you kind of need to order some of the same things twice to fill the box. Something I really liked about Factor is that you can order a lot of add-ons, which include things like extra protein portions, veggie sides, breakfast options, energy balls and desserts, fresh juices, shakes, and smoothies. That way you can really make things your own. One thing to note is that although they include information about ingredients, allergens, and detailed descriptions of each meal, they don't highlight dietary restrictions like gluten-free, dairy-free, or nut-free, which would for sure make things easier for people when they're choosing their meal plans. A little dangerous too, I don't know. Maybe look into that Factor. Now, having said that, what I really found impressive was that some of the meals they offer have close to 30 ingredients, all of which are easily identifiable and healthy, such as sea salt, coconut oil, and whole milk. Then they also give you the option to pause or skip a few weeks if you need to. On top of that, you get a free 20-minute consultation if you need help figuring out which meals or meal plans might be the best for you, which is honestly like a really cool added bonus of their service. As far as delivery and packaging go, the box was well insulated and came with ice packs that keep everything cool. But unlike Fresh and Lean's vacuum seal packaging, which can be a little annoying to unpack, Factor ships their meals in insulated boxes with gel packs that keep the food fresh. The gel packs may be slightly melted upon arrival, but they still release cold air into the box to maintain freshness. It's important to transfer the meals to the fridge immediately after opening the box. The food can remain fresh for up to a week in the fridge, and if you think you won't have time to eat it, you can freeze it and defrost it later. And yes, everything is recyclable except for what's inside the brown paper insulation, which you can just toss in the trash. Now that we've covered delivery and packaging, let's take a closer look at how much it costs to order from them. Now, as a first-time customer, they give a 50% discount on all their plans for your first box and 20% off for the next month. So if you go for 8 meals per week, you'll pay around $6.50 a meal, with the total cost being just under $53. Or you can go with 10 meals per week for $6.25 per meal, which totals to just under $63. And if you're looking to get 14 meals per week, it goes down even more for a total of around $80 for your first box. However, keep in mind that that price may vary a little bit depending on your region. And of course, these prices don't include the automatic discount that you get if you use the affiliate link down in the description, which you won't get if you go right to their website. So make sure that you take advantage of that. I'm serious. Take advantage. Save some money, people. We're giving it away. Now, when it comes to customer service, I found that the live chats and phone support agents were very friendly, and they did their very best to help me when I interacted with them via both chat and phone. And as long as the food and the services are great, I'm happy. But let's focus on the meals themselves. So in the case that any of your meals arrive in bad condition, which may be caused by high temperatures, delay, or packaging issues, you can reach out to the customer support over email, live chat, or by phone within 5 days of getting your meals. And they'll generally replace your meals for free or offer either a partial or full refund. Personally, I haven't had any issues with delivery, but I have heard from others who have used Factor that, had a couple issues along the way, which it happens to everyone. But Factor was more than willing to make amends in the rare instances when the third-party delivery service handled the food improperly. So it's really nice to see that the customer service feels like it's on your side. So to sum things up, Factor, like every company or service, is not entirely without its faults. So besides the outsourced customer service thing I mentioned, the lack of gluten-free certification might deter people who can't consume gluten for health reasons. Also, like I mentioned earlier, there's not much variety in the veggie and vegan meals, and obviously if you want to learn some hands-on cooking skills, Factor really wouldn't be an ideal choice. And if you're very sensitive to seasoning and are looking for something a little more unseasoned or bland food, then you probably want to check out Fresh and Lean. Or if you're into customizing your meals, you can check out MegaFit. Now, having said that, would I recommend Factor? Absolutely. This is arguably the best pre-cooked food I've had so far. And it's fantastic for individuals, couples, or even families who want to eat clean but don't have the time or headspace to do it. I mean, it works great for my family as I can spend more time working and maintaining productivity, knowing that I'm not falling short on our health or nutrition. Okay, so that sums up my latest Factor experience and thoughts. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow more of my journeys. Also, leave a comment below and let me know if you have any questions or if you've tried the service before, or if there's anything that you think I missed out on. And one last time, if you want to try out Factor, use the affiliate link in the description below and you'll get that discount that I've mentioned a couple of times, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. Seriously, guys, get that discount. Get them perks. Okay. And finally, guys, as usual, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.